everybody, this is Tony Diaz with Century Roof and Solar, and we're on site in Danville, California. So let's make some energy, but let's store some energy as well. So right here behind me, you actually see our latest Inphase energy storage system installation. This is actually 42 kilowatt hours of storage. Can you believe that? That's like half the energy storage of an EV, of a Tesla. Feeding into the 4 battery sets here, we're actually going over to our battery combiner. And here's our battery combiner. And then it feeds in from the roof for our solar combiner. And you can see all of our great workmanship inside and really great wire terminations. In fact, the Inphase systems engineer that I talked to the other day said that it was the most beautiful system he's ever seen. And the inspector loved it today. Heading on over to here, we've got the actual brains of the system. And so we've got our Inphase Empower here, and right here is actually our transfer switch that when there's a loss of grid energy, this will actually go ahead and it'll switch over, it'll isolate the energy and start feeding the energy to the house. And so everything happens with the Inphase system very seamlessly. You don't even see the lights flicker. Heading on over from here, we go back to the main service panel. This is a big, that as you see right here, we've got our stop switch, and then we also have our critical loads panel right here for inside of the house. It'll actually be fed with the battery system. Okay, so there you have it. You know, if you want a beautiful looking installed system, beautiful execution like what you see here over in Danville, call Century Roof and Solar for quality solar installations, quality roofing, quality battery installation, quality installation of generators, or just general electric. Go ahead and call Century Roof and Solar. Out on site in Danville, California, yet another installation. What did we do here at this installation? We did the roof, we did the gutters, we did the solar system installation, and we also did the batteries. If you come by over here in Danville and talk to the homeowner, he's going to tell you, you know, thumbs up, great job. We did a beautiful job for them. Thank you.